bakhala nge-network abantu.
Network inkosi yami.
Ngifuna lo nobody else. Ngifuna lo
How's the network? How's the network? What's happening?
Iyayibuyisa yona. Ngifuna lo yo ayenziwa nje leyo nto.
Ngiyajabula mangibona wena. Guys, the network is fine there because I don't understand why you are still sitting here. I'm not used to this. I'm not used to this. I'm not used.
Network it's not today. Ngeke ke.
Network because I'm not.
Ngesizwe ngayi network ngenkani today ngenkani. Le network ifana nempilo kuyafostwa la. Kuyafostwa.
Guys, how's the network there? Are we okay?
Network is fine.
Network mfethu. Noma ngaba green maybe
zaza. Guys. Nisho ukuthi le network wrong.
Like because here mfethu maranyeke la base phela sengicalculate la. Guys, what's happening? Yes, you can say green, but the network is bad, though.
There's no way.
I'm telling you.
Kanjani? We have a good connection.
Guys, but here, like it's in I don't believe.
I'm just connected. It happened.
How are you, Sultan? No, it's not you. Oh. You're right in network. Okay, Kitsy. How are you guys? Like I'm not this with this. Continue network.
Awuna data wena awuna data.
Khona network mos. Awulungi. Abangena abantu before network ibaleka. Abangena abantu, let people join this live before the network is gone. Ngasithenga Esprit beseselini bokuyi 4.5. Ngiyakutshela. Ngiyakutshela.
Esprit ithenga isigqoko ezinje.
Ngiyakutshela. Ndihle kaningi kathethi. Shuthi khona inkinga ekhona.
Next.
Shuthi khona inkinga ekhona. Ave nginithanda siphumelele mkane sosibo into esithanda yona you don't understand. Ngiyajabula mangibona wena. Oh izi.
Itsini ngoma.
Ithi ngiyajabula mangibona wena. Ngiyajabula mangibona wena. Inhliziyo what.
Ngiyajabula mangibona wena. Ngiyajabula mangibona wena. Inhliziyo.
Yeah, isho kanjalo. Inhliziyo. I don't understand the song, but I know it.
Ngifuna lo nobody else.
Abangena abantu. Gift ucula kamnandi chom. Thank you so much. Like thank you so much. Like thank you. As you know I can sing. Like thank you. May God bless you.
For 2 minutes again. Ngifuna lo
people join.
Nobody else. Ngifuna lo.
Please sing Gift. I didn't drink lemons today. I will sing later on because I didn't drink lemon. Tell Nishai 369.
369. Ian 369. What's this jigger so?
Is Sharajan 369.
Mana net uro. Ufila kanjani ngale nto le?
Chomi nayo. Mani kanjani?
Ngithi
Hayi,
yini why kanti le phone yakho maybe ukuthi uyibeke la. Why khamba ama network into engapheli?
Guys, the network is fine there.
Bathe right.
Ngithanda isigaxa. Thina sikuthanda isigaxa esikhulu, isigaxa ubumba. Ubumba esibuka emfuleni. Bathi esikolweni siyokha ubumba emfuleni. Masiceda ukukha ubumba emfuleni senze abantu ngobumba.
Bofunda ku
Bengifunda Boys High.
Boys High bebanthuma ubumba.
Bebasithuma ubumba bathi siye emfuleni.
Ubumba.
Yebo, idavu. Bathi silale lapha emfuleni la kunamanzi khona. Eceleni Boys High.
Boys High bebangathi nilanda ubumba emfuleni.
Bebathi sulale.
Boys High bathi ubumba bayathengiswa.
Kuya ngokuthi ufunde nini. Kuya ngokuthi ufunde nini.
Ufunde nini wena?
Long time ago.
When is long time?
Long time during apartheid structure.
Mangabona ufunda ngeapartheid unangaki kahle kahle.
Mina, I'm turning 20 something years old in a 30 years century.
Yena century.
It's a decade. Amarumuta. It's a decade. Yeah.
Yeah, yazi ukuthi akusho ukuthi bathi akusho ukuthi during kuthiwa during. Boyazi lo ndaba.
During noba ngathi noba ngathi ngiyazi ukuthi bengifunda le private le Boys High but angeke sithi during. It's a ufundi most it's a decade. Most I studied most in life.
Most you studied most.
I studied most like antora wawungena like ngakufuna khona indaba.
No, ngiyabuza. Angishizi question.
Guys besonibingelela nje. Hayi okuningi. Hayi okuningi.
Akukho kutheni. Akukho okudlula ukunibingelela. Uthando lwani?
Lwemali.
Hayi imali. Lwani, angisho sizobingelela abantu.
Yeah.
Akusuthando lwemali lo.
No.
Uthando lwani?
Siyangisho sizobingelela abantu.
Ngiyakuzwa yini ungakhuphi into engisho ngithi uthando lwani ke njengoba sizobingelela.
Lwenkanuko.
Inkanuko yani?
Lwenhlupheko.
Inhlupheko yani?
Desperation.
No. Uthando lwani?
Lwabantu.
Yebo. Hey.
Hi Oreo, how are you? Wagcina nama Oreo na vele life ini.
Angwadla ama Oreo.
Uboshoya izinto ezimnandi. Unolaka nje awuzidli izinto unolaka nje awuzidli izinto ezimnandi.
Ngicabanga ke akusama Oreo phela nesusha ngidli. Iseafood mina ngisho.
Yeah, that's why unolaka, that's why you aggressive towards me. That's why you aggressive. That's why you aggressive. Awudli izinto ezimnandi. Awudli izinto ezimnandi.
Mina vele ngumuntu opolite. Ngumuntu osithandela amasi. Ayikho into wrong lapho. Wena somazi ucabanga ukuthi ukudla ama
That's all rude ne. That's all harsh.
Oh, wena ukho rude wena.
I'm not rude because I'm eating. Mina eat dinner ngidla ngebreakfast. That's how I live. Like life accepted me. Impilo ngivumile. Honest Rasnot.
Ngama Oreo.
Honest I'm a Oreo cheap. Mina ngothenga staff price, ain't you know.
Oh, usebenza khona.
Kunomuntu osebenza khona nginika imali netha
usebenza
price.
Yabo ukuthi yabona once wanikeza umuntu imali osebenza khona ukuthi akuthengele nge-staff price short awuna mali.
No, ngiyamnika ukuthi nathi
sama ungamanga inkinga ukuthi awuna mali. Why ungangena eshop uzithengele wena? Uyazi ukuthi
uzobiza. Ngumuntu ngesikhathi. Mina ngifuna ukuthi mfethu ngifuna manje kuthuma nawe ngiyakuthuma yazi bese ngithi keep the change. Udwa ngihlezi ngisho kanjalo.
Unamanga. Angeke uthi unemali yokuthenga into mara ufuna ukuyithenga nge-staff price ngoba kwenze njani?
Idina
wasufuna ukusave wena ubunayo imali.
Idina mina ngidla ngebreakfast. Life accepted me.
Hawo,
cela toothpick.
Hawo. Yabo, ukhombisa ukuthi impilo ayikaka kuvumi. Ufuna i-toothpick, thina sifuna ama-floss. Yayibona manje i-difference. Yayibona manje i-difference.
Yeah.
Uyayizwa manje?
Yini? No, don't be like that.
What is
man.
Exactly.
Don't be like that.
Uyabona ke? So uyabuya manje, empilweni.
Don't act strange.
Uyabuya manje.
Don't act strange. Don't act strange towards me. Because now you're telling me about
strange.
Like you are strange, like you act strange, like you
Lishukuthini lo gama?
You are.
Lishukuthini.
You are like this.
Lishukuthini lo gama?
Like
Ushilisho kuthini lelo gama?
Strange, like I can't repeat
Extreme.
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 As extreme.
Yini extreme?
Like you are extremely high, like you are extremely harsh, like extremely. So when someone says,
Ngisho ngokuthi ngithi ngisebenzisa ama flaws ngisebenzisa.
yes, you are too harsh. You can't say that.
I can't wrong ngisebenzisa ama toothpick. Do you think it's a wrong thing?
No, it's not a wrong thing because dumela.
Mara ezinye izinto mara. Ha. Yo.
One love. Ngiyajabula mangibona wena, ngiyajabula mangibona wena, inhliziyo.
Wenzani manje?
I'm doing braces.
You're doing what?
Braces.
Ama braces alapha.
Yeah, angisho bengiyadoctor namhlanje. Bengiyadoctor so
Ama braces afaka emahleni.
Yeah, la. So bangenzela ama lens. Ama braces wami anama lens ayi3. Angisho mina like angiboni kahle.
Haw.
Yeah, ama lens wami ayi3 wama braces like ama lens wakhona ama lens angisho.
Okuphi le doctor? Cha, ngiyasiqale lapha.
Wala eSerengeti eWaterfall. Udoctor wakhona umngani kaKhoni. Beka umngani noKhoni Ferguson.
Haw.
Ngiyakutshela.
Wenza ama braces wamehlo.
Yeah, lawa so a black and white. Like ayisi true akusila
ama braces.
Ama braces la kwangenzi ama braces wangenzi mfene.
No, ngiyabuza.
Ama braces.
Ama braces. Ama braces akusilento amazinyo kanti.
So uyahlanya manje. Ama braces, ama specs, into amaziwazi ukuthi ama gold. Mara like mara bofunda apha mara.
O ama gold yona alungisa amazinyo. Ama gold alungisa amazinyo.
Hayi ke. Hayi ke South Africa nango ecaka.
Hayi.
Nako ecaka. Engicaka.
Hayi ezinye izinto. Yeah.
Yo guys, ngifuna ukuyofunda ngiyabhala kusasa. Kusasa yini?
Saturday.
Oh. Hala. Next to Ethiopia kuni.
Before uphendula ne. Mawungazi usho ukuthi awazi. Ngiyakubuza futhi ithuba leli. Yabona empilweni kumele mawungazi usho ukuthi awazi ungaforce. Ikuphi Ethiopia?
Next to Ntuzana Kadesh. Ila so Africa, it's an African country.
Angiyazi le ngithe
It's a continent.
Yo, mawungazi indawo gifthusho ungaforce.
Ngiyajabula mangibona nina, inhliziyo. Ithi la ngowani ngiphena wale lyrics ngayibamba. Usho boom. Guys, like sizonibingelela nje.
Yo.
Dona ngicela sivalelise like ngoba i-network. Please. Guys. Santhanda shem. Siyabaleka manje. Siyabaleka. Siyabaleka thina. Lo wase Ethiopia kuphi? Balega. Siyabaleka thina. We are going
Bese ngithini?
I say, we are going, I see, I see. We
No, us
are
no,
going,
ubani?
I
I-English
see, I
noma
see.
isiZulu?
Us. I should have some cool. Who us, who you, S.
No.
Who you, S.
Ngeke.
Shaboom.
I
see like US. I see like us. But ufaka uthini uthi I see us.
bese umuntu olalele yena uyocabanga ukuthi sisini.
Uyocabanga ukuthi it's us cause it's a song. Like it's a song. It's a song. So you can't sing a song like say us like it don't go like
Umnyuzi kwawufundela ne?
mina. Ngazi umculo mina. Mina ngazi umculo mina.
Wena wawufundela.
Mina ngawufundela mina.
Wena wawufundela umculo wena. Ayindaba yakho.
Ama honors emculweni.
Ah, umculo wawufundela wena. Ngiyakutshela mina.
Shaboom.
Hawuyini kanti?
Shaboom. Shaboom. Hayi lo mfana hayi sorry uzothi ngizenza main character ngoba ngisho namazi shaboom hayi labafana shaboom like ne 1 2 3 4 shaboom like
Hangisho ngisalalela.
okay shaboom shaboom shaboom
shaboom.
So uhate.
Yeah.
So uhate ngale mpilo iphila like uhate uyashabulela wena.
I'm happy. Do you know why?
Why?
Yonke into engiyenzayo ngiyenza ngihappy.
Shaboom. Please take me serious. I'll take you serious also. Please. You're not here to play. You don't know someone is watching. You don't know who's watching. So take everything, every step serious. Please. You hear me? You see I'm speaking. Say yes. Don't say
Yeah, yes.
Shaboom. Shaboom. Shaboom.
Shaboom. Shaboom.
Uqeda network njalo. Safa safelubala hey Safa safelubala
Amrabaphala abantu base South Africa. Yayizwa lengoma.
Safa safelubala abayize bazake kaya basemeno.
Awuyeboke.
Guys,
Yo.
so can you tell us about yourself but in English please? Hi. Network. Uthi wafaka nini ama-braces wamehlo? Ngawafaka as soon as possible.
Hayi ke yabona into yakho.
Yeah, sisahamba fana. Guys, network is against us. Us against the network. So we love you. We are running. We're running. We are running, guys. Network is us against network. Not us against the world. Us against network. So it's against us. So we can't be fighting with network. Who's network? Who's network?
Yo.
Who's fighting us? Who's that? So network is fine. You won for today. You won for today. Keep it like that. Thank you so much. Guys, we love you so much. Sing here. City. Shelele. Izindaba. Network. When are you going to be live? When like?
Angazi. When?
We're not sure, but anytime soon from today. From today, guys, we love you so much, ne?